2013 Mercedes B-Class for dash cam front and rear, 1080p. This is the rear one. Moving towards the front of the car now. See, this is the front camera. It's 1080p front and back, HD resolution as well. Here is the unit itself, which is a G-on-X. Obviously with this you get the app capability on your phone. So this is the live view of the front. This will be a live view of the rear. Through this as well you can change any of your settings just down here, and you can also view and download from your middle tab, which is all the videos that will be currently recorded on the device. If you'd like one of these installed on your vehicle, give us a call, 0208 554 554.